Hey, if you want to pair your JBL Tune 525 Bluetooth headphones with your Android tablet, first of all, you have to grab the headphones and power them off by holding this power button. So this indicator will be turned off. Then click and hold it one more time. There we go. And now we are in the pairing mode. So we are visible to other devices. And now just go into the Bluetooth settings on your Android tablet. Turn it on, and from here you can just take a look for, goddamn, I was previously connected, so let me just unpair them, and let me just open this pairing mode one more time. But basically you will find your headphones on the available devices list, and all you have to do is just to click on the device name. So let me show you. There we go. You can power off and on the Bluetooth to quickly restart, and just to be sure that you will have the earbuds. And here we are. So accept the pairing. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.